Hi everyone, I am Hatam from class 9. Today I am going to do my cooking activity. My recipes are spicy chicken pasta with sweet dessert chocolate balls. First we are going to do the spicy chicken pasta. The ingredients required to make spicy chicken pasta are coconut oil required amount, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, fennel, bay leaf, star anise, and mint leaf, coriander leaf, chicken powder 2 spoons, and chili powder 1 spoon, 2 chilies with 2 tablespoons of garlic, ginger garlic paste, and tomato 1 big chopped, and onions 3 chopped, and 2 cups of pasta, and 1 potato, and 250 grams of chicken, and salt required amount. Take a pan, add water required amount, now leave the water to boil. Let's close the pan. Now we are going to clean the pasta. First add 2 cup of water in the water to clean it. After adding, let us drain it. Now water begins to boil. So now we are going to add pasta. Now we are going to add some amount of salt. And 1 spoon of oil. Mix it well. Mix it well in the medium flame. Now let us close the pan. Cook the pasta in the medium flame. It should be soft yet cooked but not chewy. Okay, now our pasta is ready. Look, it is so soft. Now we are going to drain it to a colander. Now we are going to add some normal water because it will make the pasta non-sticky with one another. Now it is very soft and non-sticky. Now we are going to make masalas for pasta. Add oil. Now we are going to add all the spices. And we are going to add mint leaf and coriander leaf. Let us mix it. Now we are going to add chopped onions. Let us fry it till it turns golden color. Add some amount of salt so it will cook fast. Mix it well. Now you can see that the onion turned golden color. Now we are going to add tomato and mix it well. Let it cook well. Cook well. The tomato should be mashed. Cover it with the pan. Let it cook. Now add the chili and going to add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now we are going to add chicken powder and chili powder in it. Then mix it well. Now we are going to add chicken first. Mix well. Now we are going to add potato. Potato is also only optional. If you are going to cook vegetarian means you can add beans and carrot to it. Then now mix it well. Now we are going to add salt and some amount of water. Mix it well. Now we are going to add little amount of curd. Why we are adding curd means it will give us more taste. Then mix it well. After mixing it, close the pan and wait till it cook. Now I am going to open. You can see that chicken is ready. Now we will add the drained pasta with the chicken. And mix well. Then mix well. After mixing, close the pan for 5 minutes. Now let us open. Our spicy chicken pasta is ready. Now we are going to do sweet dessert chocolate balls. For doing that, ingredients required 400 gram of milk maid, 50 gram of choco powder and 1 spoon of butter. Now let us take a pan and keep the flame low. Add the condensed milk in the pan. Okay. After adding the condensed milk, we have to mix well. Still little bubbles will arise. Now we are going to add cocoa powder little by little to a colander. Then mix well. Wait until it comes creamy and smoothie. Now we are going to add butter to it. Now mix it well. Now mix well. Now turn off the flame. Keep it for cool some time. Now we are going to add this chocolate in another vessel. Now let us leave it to cool and give some time for setting up. Now you can see that chocolate is set. Now take a small amount of chocolate. Apply ghee in your hand. Now take the chocolate. Roll as ball. Now our chocolate ball is ready. Plate it. Now our chocolate ball is also ready. This is our final delicious spicy pasta and sweet dessert chocolate. I am going to serve it to my sister now. Prisma, taste and say. Chicken. How is it, Prisma?
Very tasty and super. Taste my chocolate ball. Super.
Thank you, Mom.